Hi Nevada County, this is Bobby Luster of the Truckee Library. The purpose of this video is to show you how to access Kanopy, a digital resource that offers access to over 30,000 independent and documentary films using your iPhone or iPad. The first thing you want to do is click on your App Store and you're going to search for the app called Kanopy. Kanopy is with a K, and you're going to see that come to the top of your results. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to click on open, but obviously you would have to go the process of downloading the Kanopy app. When I get to the app, I'm going to click on Get Started. I'm going to choose Find Library, and my recommendation here is to type in Nevada City. This is a surefire way to find the Nevada County Community Library, as for instance here in Truckee, depending on where you are, it might recognize you as, for instance, in Placer County. I'm going to go ahead and select this library, and then I can choose to register by email, or I can use a single sign-on, such as using Google if you have a Gmail address, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and register. I'm just going to call myself Truckee Library. And I'm going to enter my email address. And then I'm going to choose a password. And I'm going to click Go. And it's creating my account. And I am in. Now I have access to basically 10 videos a month that you can see, you can search for, you can browse. The other option is there is some credit-free viewing, which means you don't have to use your 10 videos, for instance. But let's just say that I choose this video right here, I'm with Phil. You can go ahead and just click on it. It will start downloading. And up in the corner where you see, I'm going to see if you can click on different options in order to cast it to a smart TV or to another device. So with that, basically all you need to register for this is your library card number, your email address, and you'll be set to go. Thanks for watching.